What's up guys, it's Robert, you're watching GentStyle, and today I'm going to review my first made-to-measure suit. So for the first thing I have to talk about, it is going to be the fitting experience that I experienced at the Indochino showroom, which was amazing. The first thing that they do is they measure you, they see, all your sizing and your measurements. The measuring is very quick and it's very precise, so they know exactly how loose to make things fit. You could tell them if you like a looser neck, they're going to adjust for that. If you tell them, you want something really tapered, they're going to also be able to adjust for that. After they take down all your measurements, you go downstairs, you pick your fabric, and then you get to choose all of the different customizations that they offer. You could choose anything from the lapel size, the lapel width, the lapel type, all the way to the cuffs and the buttons on the jacket, whether you want the lapel stitched, whether you want side tabs on your pants instead of having the traditional belt loops. There's so many different things that they have there for you to choose, and they have so many different options. It's just like for a stylish guy, it's just like it's Christmas time. After I ordered everything, the suit shipped in about a week, and the week after that I had the suit in my hand, and I have to say the quality was really amazing. The jacket fit perfect, the pants were the proper width. The only thing that I really had to tailor was the hem of the pants. It was a little bit too long, and so I got that adjusted, and they sent me back $10, which it cost at the tailor to get those tailored. And overall, I'm really satisfied with the fit that came with the suit. Also, when I picked the suit, I wanted to have a really breathable fabric, and so they made sure that I got the right fabric. I picked a wool. It was a Super 100 wool, so it was a pretty nice quality wool. It felt good. It was very breathable, very loose, and I feel like it's a year-round suit, so I feel like I could wear this in the wintertime. I could wear this suit in the summertime. Really, whenever I feel like I want to wear this suit, I can. Also had to do navy because navy is by far the most versatile suit color that you could possibly get, and this is probably going to be my first of many made-to-measure suits from this company, so I'm going to be purchasing more colorful stuff like this jacket that I'm wearing today within the near future. As for the price of the suit, it was only $400 for all these different customizations, a made-to-measure fit. I think that the price that I paid was good for the amount of quality that I got. The one thing that I really just can't get over that I think is really amazing is going to be the fact that there are so many different options for customizations. It can be overwhelming when you go into the showroom and you pick out all of the different stuff because there's so much to choose from. But I kind of had an idea of what I like. I like wide peak lapel suits, so I made sure that the lapel of the suit was in fact wide. I also knew I wanted a slim fit, so I made sure to tell them that. And then also with the pants, one thing that I was dying to have that I always wanted with pants and that you don't get with traditional pants that come from, off the rack stores like JCPenney's or Macy's is the side tab adjusters. The side tabs are cool because they're not just a set, width around your waist. If you gain weight, if you lose weight, you're gonna have a little bit of space, and the side tab adjusters, I think they just look cooler than having belt loops. They make the suit a lot more streamlined, which is a thing that I wanted to do. I didn't want to have belt loops because when you wear a belt with a suit, it breaks up the suit. And so that was one of the major things that I looked forward to not having was the belt loops. Also, I decided to go with a neat lapel stitching. I thought it was going to be a cool look. It's a very small detail that I thought was going to be amazing, and it turned out to be great. And also on the sleeve of the jacket, we went with functioning buttonholes. That is the sign of a high quality suit. If you want a suit that's going to look good, that is going to, really show that you paid a little extra for it, make sure that you get the functioning buttonholes on the sleeve jackets because it's really going to set you apart from the other guys. Overall, I think this was a great purchase on my part, and I feel like if you're looking for a wonderful suit, if you're looking for a suit that is going to fit you perfectly, if you're looking for something that you can customize and really have made to yourself, like inside the jacket, I had my name engraved in the jacket, handcrafted for Robert W. Jones III, really cool feature. So just overall, if you're looking for a great custom experience, I highly recommend you get an Indochino suit because for the price that you're paying, $400, you're going to get a well-fitting suit, you're going to get tons of customizations, you're going to feel great in the suit, you're going to look great in the suit, and if you don't like the suit, you can always send it back. They also give you a tailoring credit, $75 for the total suit, so $50 for the jacket, $25 for the pants, in case the suit doesn't fit great, but most likely it's going to fit really good out of the box. So guys, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, please be sure to hit that like button. Also go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also want to thank you guys. We crossed 40,000 views on the YouTube channel, which was a huge milestone, and just the amount of support that you guys are showing these videos on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, the Instagram posts and all that kind of stuff. I really appreciate it. I want to make sure that all guys on the planet are dressing nice and know that style is an important part of your perception. So with that being said, I'm Robert, this is GentStyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.